Chad, what's going on, baby? Welcome back to Wall Street Sessions. Yo, guys, just chill out. We are joining. It's still literally relatively early. You guys don't have to worry. The stream is here. We're not load shedding. Stream's not starting at 4. Like, don't worry. We are here. Jeff, how you doing, brother?
I'm doing good. How are you doing?
I'm always good, my man.
I'm actually really excited for this week.
Yeah, I think this week is going to be a big day. I'm not even going to lie. I think today markets are going to maybe be finding their feet. But yeah, I think this week is going to be a goodie. I mean, when we look already at the fundamental side of things.
Yeah, with a lot of interesting news events.
Yeah, markets looking very nice to set up for the week. But as you say, nothing really today. But definitely for the rest of the week, we're going to be busy. We're definitely going to be busy on this one. So let's dive right in, guys. Nothing obviously too much to break down in depth over there. Let me just get this watermark on before I get 50 messages on what pair I'm looking at. Let's go over to DXY, guys. So let's just get started already. Let's see everyone that's in the chat. Yeah, obviously the all-time faithfuls: Amina, Vince, Slashy, Fabio, Ruben. Who else is there? Turtle Trader. Welcome, guys. Good to see you guys all. Yeah, bright and early on a Monday afternoon. Let's see what's happening here. So on DXY, guys, I'm still quite bullish. We have traded down, holding that support, and now starting to flip bullish on the day. So we can see that coming back in. We've got this little bit of a nasty range over there. I mean, if you look at that, definitely something we don't want to be stuck in. But we are trading into it now, so we'll see on the lower time frames over there. We can see where that's coming in. So literally breaking into that now. So definitely going to keep an eye out what happens there. But we are bullish, so breaking back into the Asia range. Obviously, first thing, Asia highs untested. So all we're going to look for here is if we can break, hold, and have the continuation all the way to Asia highs. Then going over to gold. Gold, we are now trading back up on the day. So we actually are bearish, but a neutral position. So even though we are bearish, basically coming from, again, breaking under the support over here with our closure. But as I always said to you guys, we need to hold on that closure. So on the 4 hour, we still broke with a nice wick to the top, but closing in the range. And now at 3 starting off over here. So either are we going to break away? This is the candle that either needs to break away to the top side for us, or we're going to break right back down to the downside. So we're going to have to just keep an eye on that one. But then on the 30 minute, we can see that big bearish momentum already trying to come back for us. So we're going to see what happens here. As I said, I am leaning to the sells. So we'll definitely just see what happens. The EQ is still untested, but a perfect trade up to the daily pivot. Before we were cut off this morning, Chris and I were talking about holding this 21.55 was going to be the area it looks like to trade off of and go up, and that worked out beautifully. But load shedding decided, nope, you guys are not going to trade that. So unfortunately, we didn't get in on those. But again, the sells there now at the daily pivot, as we spoke about. Can we get back under this zone and turn that support to resistance? And then once we're back into the Asia range, very simple, target those Asia lows. So we're going to look over there, what we can do there. Then go over to indices. Indices, we are bearish. Obviously a massive closure, taking out many levels of support. But we know Monday, Tuesday likes to trade the opposite direction. So again, you can see all the support being broken to trade lower. And now we've seen that little bit of a break back to the top side. So we're going to see over here if this holds, as we always talk to you guys. Does it need to hold for the continuation, or does this break and come all the way back down for Asia lows that are still untested? So we just want to keep an eye out for that one. There, going over to US 30. Also same thing, traded all the way down, taking our levels of support with closures below. On the 4 hour, not that just one way traffic, but we do have a break up to the weekly pivot, and then see if that holds. So already on the 30 minute, we saw us trade right to the EQ with a closure there and a push down. So now we're going to see there on the 15, do we trade back to the weekly pivot, and are we going to start holding that as support, or do we break underneath and go right back down into the Asia range? So just going to keep an eye out on those, but I am more bearish on the equity side of things. But it's going to be a bit of a slow day from my side, but pretty much all I'm looking at. But that's me for the day. Jeff, what you looking at, brother?
So from my side, I'm currently bullish on DXY as well. However, I wanted to come down, so especially from the zone at the weekly open, 50% of Asia. I wouldn't be surprised if DXY just decides to drop. However, I am currently in the GU sell, so currently I would obviously wish it would push to the upside. So with that said, if price pushes all the way up, Asian high untested, and then if we scroll a bit to the left, you guys would see that this is also an Asian high at this level, which has not yet been taken out. So that is a zone which I would look out for. Now, this is the weekly R1, and over here at this level, if we flip to the 4 hour, you guys would see that we have this imbalance to be filled and this imbalance to be filled. So once price gets to these highs over here from Wednesday, so Wednesday's Asian session highs, then only I will start looking for potential sells on DXY, especially once we have this break to the upside. And then on UJ, so this morning we called this buy over here, but unfortunately we didn't take it due to load shedding. But also same thing, want to see price trade all the way up. Also same thing over here, we have an unswept Asian high from last week Thursday. Okay, I don't think it's last week, maybe the week before that, but it's an unswept high, and also that is our weekly R1 there. Sorry, I might be wrong. So I think more or less yes. So we have the weekly R1 over here on top. Also the March is open, and then I would expect price once we get to that level to start dropping towards the downside. So currently bullish on UJ as well. However, if we do have a closure below this level over here, then I will start flipping bearish and expect price to trade down all the way towards the weekly pivot, towards this demand zone, towards the S1 potentially, and then start looking for potential reversals. Then on EU, I wanted to look for buys, but still I want to see price trade all the way down, take out the Asian low, tap into the daily S1, and then only potentially flip bullish. So we'll set it out on EU as well. GU, like I said, I'm in a sell at this level. Once we hit these levels, the daily S1, the weekly open, 2024 open, Asian lows, demand zone, it's a nice wall down here. And like I also said, I am bullish on GU long term. So very simple. And then on GJ, I want to first see price form a new high before we can look to go short. So basically I want to see price take out this high, tap into the daily R1. This is also unmitigated supply zone. They potentially look for sells towards the downside, and I do have this level over here. However, I wouldn't trust these buys within the Asian range, especially on a Monday. So we'll set it out if price comes to this level, but initially we're going to target this high over here. Then AUD USD, like I told my members this morning, I first want to see price close fully above this level. I want to see a clean closure before I can flip bullish on it, because currently, as you guys can see, when price came once, one tap, second tap, there's your third tap. And then if you correlate that with USD yen is also bearish. So once we tap into this level over here, then only I will start looking for sales. But with that said, also, if that does happen, it might push Australian dollar up a bit, and this could be a fake out that might occur over here, but literally have to wait and see what price holds. And then oil, basically want to see oil trade up towards this level at 81.82, and then we'll start looking for potential reaction to start trading towards the weekly pivot down here. So yeah, we'll take it slow today. We'll mostly be focusing on GU, I would say AUD yen and USD yen.
Alright, so man, looking at those yen pairs today. Yeah guys, as I said, we're looking at this break over here. We can see DXY already trying to jump a bit here for us, so just going to keep an eye on it, see what it can do. As I said, DXY still is Asia highs untested, so we definitely want to see with that, especially on the higher time frames. DXY is flipping bullish now, so it definitely can be a nice push for DXY coming here, but we'll just see what happens. Same thing I said with gold, these things can start melting off, so we just want to keep an eye out for them. And yeah, same with, okay, NAS trading up, USD holding it, but we're just going to see what happens. So just play it safe, see what we get. But that is it pretty much. And still got 15 minutes to spare. What's the chat saying? Why's this thing disappeared here now? Where'd they go? I would just watch Randall's podcast with Irv. I've never tried with 3 living rooms. What? Slash bro. Yo, I always say I love the fact that like we can come in here and I just see you guys chatting off like with yourselves. Let's pump the likes, Chads, the likes please. With tech stocks moving, I think NAS will climb. Yeah, it can. At the end of the day, we always say Monday, Tuesday it tends to go the opposite way, so it definitely can climb a little bit first. Liverpool got smacked, baby. Oh yeah. Etienne in the house, ladies and gents. Forex money machine. Tina Satini. Peter Murray, how you liking C Trader, bro? I'm still not. I wouldn't say I'm a huge fan of it, eh? Like it's better than DX Trade, but I'm not a massive fan of it yet. So we're still gonna have to see what happens. I must say it's a bit better though. Like I can open it up this time and have a rough idea of what's going on. But yeah, it's not like it's too bad. So nothing too much I'd complain about. Yo, I'd love if we can get a gold sell here today. If we get nicely back into the Asia range, I think we can take a gold sell. So we'll just see what happens here. What's this thing looking like? Yeah, definitely a gold sell on the table for us. But yeah guys, if you haven't, please just drop a like. It just helps us, the channel, grow. I must say I see the numbers are starting to pick up again. The view numbers, the watch numbers, everything. The subscriber numbers are climbing again. So definitely looking good. What's this? Let's sort this out. But those guys, how's the day been for you guys as traders? You guys been in some trades, got some W's, taken some losses this morning. How's everything looking for you guys? Let us know. Oh. I don't know what it is. Also, my eyes have been killing me. Because you took a break, it all slows down. It takes a while for it to pick back up. Shamis with overseas. The Chelsea fans still salty about the last three finals against Liverpool. Oh, that's fine. Actually, ons komt terug, my boy. Tottenham till I die. Quiet in US 30. Got 50 bips on Asia Open on gold. Oh, that's beautiful, bro. Yeah, no, I'm definitely not trading Asia Open. I'm fast asleep at that time. I'm in a buy on NAS. We're in the buy from 17964. Oh, beautiful, bro. Beautiful, beautiful. Should I have the advantage of wrenching Liverpool and Man fans? Got a quick gold buy from Asia High today. Pivot Asia session for the win. Oh, Edgar. First trade gold short at 62. Yeah, I don't know what you would have taken that short from. That's my only thing. To take it there, like what the reason behind that was. Jeff, when we starting that?
It depends. It depends. Are you gonna run the streams with me though? Because that'll be cool to have company. And then Chris and Keegan can't say anything about me being alone at the office, because then I will have a security guard right next to me.
Well, to be fair, that was never that was never the reason.
But I don't think that was a fair trade.
What?
For the Asian session.
Why is it not a fair trade?
Because as long as I perform, I don't believe there will be a problem.
Nah, doesn't work that way.
What if the chat decides?
They don't decide. It's not their streams.
Oh. Oh.
Jeff, as much
You know,
as we can
actually,
be a people person, bro.
I actually hope, Etienne, that so based on the due date, it's supposed to be in August. My birthday's in August. I'm hoping and praying that the baby comes like on my birthday. That'll be the best birthday gift ever.
When's? Because it's due for August, though.
Yeah.
And you?
17 August.
Yeah, that would actually be crazy, yeah.
That would be the best
That would
birthday
actually
gift
be quite
ever.
crazy.
So maybe, force that C-section even, maybe, on 17th.
Yes.
Jokes, obviously, jokes. We don't do that.
Alright, so gold, obviously markets haven't opened up for us yet to take it, but literal retest perfectly of that and continuing. So that would have been an entry point for us, but I'm not in this yet. 80 has gone bearish. So we're just waiting a little bit longer here. Jeff, some of us machine gunners will trade with you, Jeff. I know, people who don't sleep in the chat.
Yeah, we can scalp the rook dry.
Oh, Jeff. I'm born on my mom's birthday, 26th of July. That's cool, my man.
That's so cool.
Yeah, so funny thing is, we always joke about it. So I'm the 6th and my uncle's the 7th. So my uncle always, and the thing is, I'm literally born at 11 o'clock at night on the 6th.
Yeah, so you're
So
almost...
my uncle always jokes to my mom. He's like, yeah, look, can you not keep your legs closed for 1 more hour? Keeks enjoying also your Bro. No. I love my sleep. Taking an order block in bearish dealing range lined up with 0.618 on Fib Geeks. Okay, awesome, brother. I've got a nice little reel coming out this week for the boys. I think we're going to start playing into these nice, funnier ones. So we got a nice one coming out for all my RCT and SMC boys. The man, Mr. Garen Hull in the house.
What's up, Garen? You good?
Don't worry, guys. You'll know we legit. We'll also be sitting on beaches having cocktails next week with Garen. We'll all look like we're proper traders, sitting at some restaurants taking photos of the beach.
With the charts open, with no analysis.
Working on the weekend.
Still have a grid on there as well, default settings.
Nila. Gold made my day. 2162. What a level, lol. What's up? King Shaq, good call on gold. Reaching 2162 this morning. Breathe, the markets don't sleep. I don't sleep. Keys, you want to add to the Peach Nation group, brother? Bro, then I know I'm not going to sleep. You guys are going to be messaging 24/7 on that thing. Garidonia, Lacquer boys, Lacquer. Neil, what's cooking? Is this on a 1 minute time frame? Trapson, brother, there's a 5 at the back for 5 minute time frame. And I will never, ever trade on a 1 minute time frame. That won't happen. 1 minute trading, you're looking for trouble. Alright, 5 minutes, and then we'll look, guys. But yeah, okay, Brack in the Asia range. Let's see if we can hold it there and then get the continuation. The gold on 1 minute time frame. Bro, I just answered you. It's not a 1 minute time frame. Where's this thing? Right there. Not a 1 minute time frame. We 75. Please up the likes, chat. Y'all guys will be greatly appreciated. Bro, as much as I hate it, like I must say, I'm slowly becoming that guy that's like, I don't want to trade on Mondays. Mondays are so slow nowadays.
Yeah, it's one of my rules. Always take it slow on a Monday. No
We can't see the watermark, Keegs. Jeff, can you see the watermark?
Yeah.
Why can't you guys see it?
You guys sure you're looking at the right thing?
Yes, we can. Yeah, everyone. They have problems if they can't see it. We can. It's clear. Yeah, guys, if you can't see it, I don't know. Maybe you guys need glasses. You must take those demo profits. Go buy some glasses or buy a new screen. Yeah, I was gonna say, like, I don't know how it would be so clear on my screen and not on your guys. But yeah, it just went out. Hopefully, I really actually hope we can get this gold trade. I think this will actually be a little banger today if we get this. I might even actually have to break my rule, guys. I really have a good feeling this thing might run. But then again, I'll actually wait at this 21.55 level. If it was the Rockets boys ID, yeah, I can't see. Maybe need to see with the 1080p, not gonna see in 144p. 2160 was the sell level I was looking at, range to 2145. Yeah, no, I back that, King Shack. Are you in the sells already, brother? I know we spoke about this morning. You did say you are bearish after the bar up. You were looking at 2162. I was looking at the daily pivot. But are you in the sells now? how 8 p.m. here is like is then like 2 p.m. there in America. There's always a session for me. Now I'm done for the day, broski. Okay, no, sick. I respect that though, bro. I mean, you were in basically most of this, so that already is a killer trade. So yeah, I respect it that you walk away. JV, you taking anything today, brother?
Yeah, GU.
How'd that play out?
Hopefully we back 4%. Hopefully we back 4%.
Oh, hopefully you're still in it.
Yeah. So in break even up 1%, but I'm gonna trust in my setup.
Do I need to ask the question?
Yeah, I'm funded. I'm funded.
Done.
And this time I didn't take it my personal.
Hey, there we go.
Yeah. So
And you break even already, yeah?
I'm break even already.
Okay, perfect.
So
Wait, what are you selling or buying?
selling.
Okay, cool. I'll back that then.
Yeah. Gonna close just. Well, I'm gonna close at the S1. That will be my 4%. Well, yeah, 4%. I could go for 5, but no, let's not be greedy.
If you get the 4%, you're basically done with phase 1.
Yeah, and it's just two more to go.
Hey.
Just 2 more to go.
Hey. You got this, bro.
Patiently waiting. Patiently waiting.
Jeff is growing. That he is, guys. The man is learning. Learning from the previous mistakes. Just Jeff.
I must say, Michaela has played a very big role with that. She is really on my case with the baby. So she's like forced me to get my shit together.
Nah, it's good, bro.
Yeah, it's good. It's good. Nothing to complain
Yes,
about.
let's check. Oh, markets open, guys. Ding, ding, ding. Round 2. Fight. And US 30 already thrown a knockout punch there. Check out that thing. Yes, yes. US 30 just KO'd someone already. So DXY holding on there. Just stay here, guys. Just give us some time that we can enter. Just chill out. Vinci, I'm chilling. I'm really targeting for the day. Just for the vibes now. Come on. Just waiting at this little 15-minute shuffle. Don't. Yo, bro. I'm so tempted to. But I'm like, don't screw us now. Oh. Lol, yeah, more burgers for the dinner / boy.
What's your bias on Nasdaq geeks?
Bearish.
Bearish. Okay. It's nice when we agree on the same things. now I have reason to full put.
Oh yeah. Brekkie for Jim, bro. Here's the question, guys. Hold on, we need a serious question. Yeah. Now, if you go to gym today, what are you guys training? What day is it?
Unfortunately, I can't answer this question. Not yet, at least, not yet.
Let's see. A back day, baby. No pecs, no. Hit chest and back already. Chest and back. Eyebrow day. Trying to get that back strength up. Indices are dancing. Ooh. Oh. Because I'm always there's two things here, guys. Monday is always your international chest day. So either you do chest and you wait for like half an hour for machines, or you do something different then, and then you get like in and out. I've got John Opula as my coach at the moment. Okay. Sick, brother. Wait, hold on.
Vince, you're in the same boat there. I must say, this weekend I started taking steps towards healthy eating. I had fruit for breakfast Saturday and Sunday, so I want to start doing that more often. Small steps.
But yeah, bro, Jono is sick. That TTRS of his is sick. That I love it in that green though. That thing is mean. I remember when you guys used to trade against each other. Hey, that was Jevin.
Nah, when our setups line up, then you must know, guys. But other than that, I'm pretty sure tomorrow we're in a conflict again.
TTRS is a mad car. Yanni's is hectic, bro. It's fully built. That thing is stupid quick as well. Keys, when we hit 10k, please oil up, and Jeff does a 3-month program in the gym. Yeah, it's...
Okay, but Jason, is fruit unhealthy?
Jeff, fruits have too much sugar, lol.
But is it unhealthy?
Anything in too much is unhealthy.
No, it's not too much. I mean, 1 banana, some grapes, half a dragon fruit, sometimes add some kiwi, or you switch it up between some blueberries, strawberries, but no, not like a whole batch at once.
You know, I only have one problem with that, Jeff.
What?
There's no meat, bro.
No, but I mean,
there's no meat.
do you know how nice fruit is, bro?
Meat is meat, and a man must eat.
Yeah, fruit's good.
So is a good steak.
Nah, you guys know I love steak.
And a burger. And ribs. And wurst. Oh, bro, like, no. Nothing beats meat. I could never live on fruit and vegetables.
Yeah, bro, I would eat fruit every single day. If I had the choice to eat all fruit in the world, anytime I want, I would literally live on fruit.
Meat, fruit, and avo, deadly combo.
Meat, fruit, and avo.
I could do with a good burger right now. Edgar, you and me are gonna do a burger challenge, bro. Chris is chickening out of it and using keto as an excuse. Your keys, a kg ribs will be more now, bro. Like, if anyone knows me, actually, hold on. We're waiting here quickly. Damn it, we're gonna miss this thing. Alright, when Kate's back, sure, until you guys, like, my go-to is ribs. Like, I love ribs. Like, whenever we go out, we have like a rib night, like, easy starter. Like, I'll do like 2 kgs for myself, quick. Ordona, Jev is going vegan, lol. You ain't a sore loser, eh? Hey, Ed. Bro, I am a sore loser. But that's why it's a good thing I don't lose very often. It's that competition fight, bro. I'll even take extra undies before I lose.
Extra undies?
Yeah.
Why?
You eat yourself till you gotta go, bro. Yeah, I need motivation. I just started losing weight, brother. Come on, Gold. Just hang out there. Just hang out there. Just chill out. Did it. So like 10 minutes. It's gotta chill though. Yes. Naz, US 30 starting to come down. Cubata ribs, bro. From Edgar. You know, bro. You know. Now I always say this argument: Cubata ribs, best ribs ever. But yeah, you have to go there, bro. I always just say the stadium one is That is the best, like the original Kubata ribs with Bruno. Oh, best in the world. Trillium swap F30, 335i and gold and oil signals for life. Lol. Eat naked in front of a mirror. You'll quickly get a grip. Yo, bro, that's like some mind games. So we're just waiting for this 15-minute shuffle, and then hopefully we can get in on the Solio, guys. I must say I'm loving it because I think if we hold on a little bit longer and this carries on, we're also going to get that crossover over here with the EMAs. And the fact is also the 200s coming up, so we could even get a nice, probably later on, I'd say maybe by like 4:15, 4:20, maybe even start getting a crossover of all three. Nothing's on the setup for you yet, Jeff.
Yo, still waiting patiently. Yeah, Nasdaq, I'm waiting for change of character to see if we can potentially short it. Yen, waiting. USD,
Yeah.
nothing yet. GJ, nothing. EU, nothing. Yeah, literally waiting for DXY to break the Asian eye.
Yo, Edgar, moderating himself there, deleting his own messages. Are you trading with a 250 12 EMA? 250 and a 20. What are you looking at for 80 JPY, Jeff?
So it's actually based on the upcoming news, Ed. So on Yen, based. Oh, that not happened there. But yeah, basically on the. Could you share my screen, Geeks?
Alright. Yeah, brother.
Okay, so Ed, basically looking at the structure, so we can see long term we are bullish, but internally, sorry, I don't know what's wrong with me. So internally we are bearish, and then we can see over here we had this last break of structure, then this zone was unmitigated. So we can, so I know some people would consider this mitigated over here, but I don't, because I have to go refine it. So from that refinement, this is the little zone which price is left over here. So literally this little candle. So once we can tap into this level, I would like to see potential shorts coming in, and it would be ideal potentially to see price give me some sort of entry confirmation. For example, the one we usually look for, we want to see price hit up there with some sort of bullish momentum, change character, fair value gap, and then get into that sell, and then potentially hold it throughout that news event and see what happens.
Okay, guys, hold on. You're gonna see Wait, come in quickly. If we have a cheat meal and I could have anything I want, what's my favorite go-to food?
I want to say crave burger, but I'm not sure.
That's a good one. That's a good one, but no. It's not like a brand now. I could just go, what is like my go-to favorite food?
Why am I sucking at this one?
She's not doing a good job right
Wait,
now.
let me think.
I want to say something, but it's not like adequate for YouTube.
Kubata ribs.
Hey.
Kate knows a man. Kate knows a man.
I know, but when you said cheat meal, I was thinking that big burger.
Yeah, so okay, when I have a cheat meal for my refeed, I get a big burger from Crave Burger.
I would have tuned in at multi-burger.
But there we go, Kubata ribs.
But yeah, that's what I'm looking at. So exact same setup. Now, if you back it, I back it.
Keys, I'm going to show with you from gold. Just looking for some rejection at the turn. Awesome, brother. Appreciate it, brother. Thank you. Anytime, my man. Gold shorts look beautiful. Yeah. I had the exact same setup. So yeah, we're just gonna wait here, guys. Literally 2 more minutes, then we have survived it, and it hasn't run away from us. So that is a very, very good thing. On the 15, we got a nice wick to fill. Still with Asia highs as a target. Yeah, if this 15 actually still closes bearish, I think we got a good shot. Quickly, Jim, put it back on your screen.
Okay.
I'm gonna go see if I can pee and be back in time. Yeah.
Okay. Welcome, Warren. Welcome, my man.
So it did close bearish. I'm back. I got caught up talking there. But it might have been a good thing because I didn't enter. So what's DXY doing? DXY a little bit of gap to the downside. Nas taking off. USD still battling a bit here. Yeah, I want that break to the downside. Move my terminal there. Okay, so terminal's open. We are ready. Let's see. The big question now is, I actually want to see what this does now. This thing either must break back up, take out this little higher, because we're going to need a bit of a strong push to obviously get under that 200. So I might still wait a little bit more. It's just a bit of a patience game here, guys. Honestly, just a bit of a patience game. Patience. I see that W set up the retest of 2058 and closure below would have been confirmation for me. I would be in and have bigger lot stops at 2155.
Geeks.
Yeah,
Good
what's up?
question. Okay, I'm not sure if I should put it on stream, but
Bobby got a TP. That's flying. That's beautiful, bro. Stoked for you, my man. Getting the Monday blues. The man's in those Monday blues. We are patiently waiting, yeah. No, we need DX1 to do something for us, yeah. Oh, I can't take that. DXY's got to come to the party for us, yeah, Chad. And this is getting beautiful, as I said. This is what we're waiting for, yeah. These bad boys to cross. So I think this will be perfect. Like I say, we can get a break over here. Get a nice little dump to the downside. We'll get that cross. Come on. Just gotta be patient. Come on, DXY. Just do it for us. To be fair, I need DXY to go up so my gold sells. And if that thing goes up, that also means your GU is going in more in profits.
yeah, patiently waiting for that. I don't know why the market maker isn't responding. I mean, I've been trying to send him a message.
Yeah, bro. Maybe he's got load shedding. He's just like battling with these times. Come on.
No, Peter, same here, same here. I like you too. I like you too, my man. I'm also hoping he goes up. We're in the same boat today. Don't worry, we're not enemies every day.
Guys, what is DXY on Vault Markets Broker?
It should either be USD index or DXY. Or I think I've even I don't know. So many brokers have so many different things they listed as. So either USD index, USX, or DXY should be one of those.
Oh, actually, hold on. I just noticed this as well. This is literally all about a cross. So there we have the cross there, and they're gonna cross the 200. That's beautiful. So guys, again, if you're one of the project boys, you know what that is. All of these here. You know what this is.
Mestizo, my mana. I hope I said your name correctly. What Korean bomb? What Korean bomb?
South Korea shot missiles at Tokyo today.
Oh, okay.
But now they just saying it came from South Korea. But the thing is, you're talking about it that nothing will ever happen, for example, geopolitically, unless South Korea confirms and like takes ownership that it was their missiles and it wasn't like a safety thing or like testing things that went wrong.
So it could easily also be propaganda.
Yeah, it can be a case of like a testing thing went wrong and like the missiles went astray. But if they own up and say, "Yo, no, we shot missiles at you," then that's a different ballgame. But yeah, no statements have been made yet. Waiting for gold sells.
Yeah, and I'm still.
So waiting for DXY to take the highs. Gold to reject.
Sorry, Keeks, is that an order book there on your chart?
Is it a what?
Is that an order book? Is that orders coming through to the market? Yeah. Then your left on your left screen on the right. Yeah, is that order flow?
I think so. Yeah.
Okay.
DOMs.
What does that mean?
I have no clue.
Okay.
Quite sorry. Actually, I know what DOMs are. Ooh, there DXY had the jump. Come on, DXY. Do it for us. If it's C-Trader, yes. If it's C-Trader, it's market sentiment. There we go, DXY. Come on. Just hold that.
That is so cool. It reminds me of that documentary you spoke about on the stream before. That guy who spoofed the market using that as well.
Yeah. Come on, DXY. This is what we need.
FX Hades, what do you mean? I'd like you to elaborate on your statement.
What's happening now?
The first one, the pride of the British and the US is now like the white guy and nigger mindset. That's also what I'm trying to figure out. Come on, Gio, break this level, man. Yes, see.
DXY is breaking up, bro, so...
Yeah, but I want Gio to start moving.
If this thing breaks, your G, should stop moving.
Yo, I literally haven't taken a trade on my fund account in like probably 2 weeks.
Yeah.
So this better like be... It suck if it's a break even.
I'm not gonna say anything. I'm not gonna say anything.
King Shaq, very interesting statement. I must just look for that book. I'll look for it tonight. I'll bring it tomorrow, and on stream, I'll show you guys that page where they stated this thing with everything happening in the world, like, you know, the superpowers, US, China, whatever the case, and then it spoke about like a civil war as well. Now, as you guys know, also South Africa with all the politics and so forth, there's always these talks about the civil war and so forth. And it's just a very interesting take on what's going to happen to South Africa and our position in the world once a more clear superpower has been established. But yeah, I'll bring it tomorrow.
Yeah, the DXY just needs to do this for us now. Come on, DXY. Yeah, now DXY is going down.
Mestizo, what funded broker do we recommend? Vault Funder, my man. Vault Funder. You can just check the bio. So under the stream, obviously, there should be a link there where you can sign up for an account. And I think if you just go on the Vault Funder Instagram page, there should also be a nice little discount code there for you. I don't remember the name of the book. That's why I must look for it. It's a small book. I probably paid like 10 rand for it. But the information in there was like, they talk about money, the future of money. It's like literally a small little book. Sections. Each section is like probably 4 or 5 pages, but it's so in depth. I'll bring it tomorrow and I can show you guys.
30 seconds. I don't think DXY is gonna take this high for us. It is battling. Ooh. Oh. Yes, that's like flat. I can't take that. Yeah, the DXY is a pain here today. Looking for some longer term plays on EJ, GJ, and UJ. Yeah, personally, I won't take any long plays with that BOJ statement coming out tomorrow. And that's why you don't jump in, guys. So I hope none of you are in those gold cells yet. Let's see. Yeah, sorry guys, throwing something out here.
Donnie, what do you mean? So we actually do trade live, Mestizo. So we do trade live. It's just currently we don't have a setup, but other than that, like we've had countless setups on the stream. I honestly can't even tell you how many trades we've taken.
You can't force it in. Like we've said how many times, the markets are literally quiet today.
Like like here's a perspective. If you're not here and watching the stream, then you miss out. It's on you, literally.
If the 30-minute candle flips bearish, I'm gonna take it. Yeah. No bottom wick, they'll be back in the range, rejecting that support area. Like that'll be a good trade. For me, you still DXY is going up, so definitely can see something happen there. Just want to check, yeah. Just want to see what's happened.
Oh no, I get what you mean, Donnie. I get what you mean. Yeah, sometimes it does get out of hand. Gavin, it depends on which section of the site you're on. If you're on the home page, you should be able to see it there, unless you're maybe just not seeing the exact section, but it states on there like your targets and everything. Yeah, Key's gonna show you in a sec.
Right there. Maximum daily loss, 5%. Like just scroll down, guys. Like I literally clicked on the home page. Just scroll down right there. So whatever account you have, just go through it. It will change. But yeah, not hard, guys. Just look. Honestly, it just comes like guys being lazy. Like just look. Gold buy or sell. We want to sell it. Took 1,000 pip TP on NAS. Good start to the week. Oh, brilliant start to the week, brother. Oh, Jens, Jex in the building. Jex.
Oh, welcome, Jex.
You hit TPs there on NAS yet, bro? I know that man's been trading NAS. Okay, cool. No, I already registered. Didn't see it there. Okay, no stress, brother. No trades for me yet this week. Also, market's a bit slow for you, brother. Is DXY gonna reject those eyes now? Yes, yes. This is like a typical Monday.
Yeah.
Like literally just nothing. Yeah, bro, can you please explain what the funded account? It's basically simulated profits, bro. I'm not gonna go too in depth to it. The same thing. Just go to the account. You can literally read about it. But basically, you pay a certain amount of fee to get the buying power of a certain size account. You get a target you have to achieve on the account with only losing a certain amount of the account. If you can achieve those targets without breaking any of the rules, you pass phase 1. Then you do the same thing in phase 2 with different targets, with again only losing a certain amount. And then once you can do that, after you go phase 3, the account is then live, and then you trade that account to get whatever amount of profits you want in 30 days. And then it's an 80% split. So you keep 80% of the profits and the company takes 20%. Jeff, close your GU trade.
I'll say this with full respect, Peter, but I believe I trust my method. I would
Dollar
rather
is going down.
take my break even based on my own discretion, but I would never. And I don't mean this in a bad way. In general, I would never take trading advice from someone else, unless it's my mentor.
So is that why you never take advice from me or Chris?
No, I mean like when I'm in a trade, signal wise and so forth, I would never.
I just want to see you take the
Yeah.
TP, then go break even. Yeah, DXY is coming down very hard. But I mean, you still are quite in profit.
Yeah. There's still time. There's still time.
No. If I win the change, I won't. What? If I won the change, I take the 10k or the 50k. What? Where are you coming with the 10k and 50k? What are you on about? I'm confused. Where's the man coming with the 10k and 50k? What you on about? I said sound, bro. You literally just go on the account. That explains everything there. I'm not gonna go in depth about that now, but I'm pretty sure there's also a language barrier. Yeah, I think that's what the issue we're having is. I love how we both got it and he didn't slash case. I love how we both got it, and you have to still make the profit and only get the profit you make on top of your funded account. That is the money you get. Okay, so if I won the challenge, I'd take the 10k or 50k. Okay, so we're gonna break this down again for you guys. Well, not for you, for my brother, yeah. So let's say you got a 50k, okay? You have a 50k account. You've got to make $5,000. Then you go to phase 2. Phase 2, you got to make $2,500. Step 3, the account is now live. There's no target you have to reach. You just can't lose more than that. And then you got 30 days. So at the end of 30 days, if that account's in profits, let's say the account is just up $1,000, just for easy sakes. The account's up $1,000. You keep $800. The prop firm takes $200. That take 80. You keep 80%. They keep 20%. So again, I don't know if I have to explain. Obviously, the 80% is 800. The 20% is 200. I'm sure that has to explain it now. If you win the challenge, you get funded. If you make profits, you get 8% of the profits after you pass the challenge. Yeah. Damn, if I could get the 10k of every challenge, of every funded challenge. Nah, deep, so I wanted to come back up. Nah, as you were steady, looking strong here still. Yeah, I must say, guys, I don't even want to get the gold sell today yet. It's looking a bit messy, a bit up and down, yeah. Yeah, guys, if you haven't yet, please drop a like. That's all we ask for the channel. We don't charge you guys for anything or ask anything other than that. Just drop a like and a sub if you haven't yet. It just helps the channel grow. Give it time. It's I still think it's a sell. No, Gavin, I still also think it's a sell. I just don't know if we're gonna get the sell today. That's all. Thanks, pro. Where are we now? Hi all monkeys are a beer. Hi, it's retesting. Yeah, no, say bro, I do still think it's a sell. It's just a case of waiting. We need DXY to come along. We need this to give us a crossover on the EMAs. Hasta Manana, guys. I don't know what that means, but it sounds cool.
Let's see what it means.
DXY has been rejecting at this level a few times, yeah. Donation, hope you're all good. Came into just like and check out the vibe. Took 2 shots at goals today and got it shot right back.
So it means see you tomorrow. Hasta
awesome.
manana.
Check it tomorrow, brother.
Hasta manana. That's gonna be our new word.
Yeah.
Our new words in the office.
Tried short him. I think everyone waiting for the rate decision. Yeah, it's gonna be a bit messy, bro. I do think you have the right idea, Dylan. But yeah, just gotta catch it at that right time. I mean, even we came close, and then luckily we just didn't take it, and it shot up. So yeah, I think it is just it's literally a moment of just you gotta catch it at that right moment. It's like with women, guys. You just gotta catch them at that rare moment. They're not moody. It's a patience game. But if you play your cards right, you get that moment. Otherwise, a lot of times you just gotta smack. But yeah, looks like it's coming along here. DXY is still battling, but looks like gold might bring it around for us now. Let's see what happens here. Here comes my flip. Peter's ready for this thing. I'm in. Awesome, Gavin. Hopefully we'll be joining you soon, brother. Oh, those moments. The dip and tip. Literally, bro, the dip and tip. Alright, come on. DXY fighting here for us.
I thought hasta la vista means like something like, hey yo, check me out, or damn, it just shows how we can judge language.
Hey brother, so just a quick one on that. So basically what Chris and I got off on eventually, the reason for that is something I wanted to shoot is actually what was it
Boko, I'll let Keegan answer that question. But from what I've seen and heard from them, very legit company. But I've never used them personally, so I can't advocate for them.
What do you think about FTMO? They are the goats. They are the big daddy of prop firms. Hasta la vista, Mensa. See you later, basically. Guys at JPY News tomorrow. Will it drop at any time? Yeah, that's the problem, guys. Remember, so it's a BOJ statement. But that's the thing. A lot of guys are talking about it. Like, can they trade it? And this, you can't trade it because there's not a time it's coming out. They can drop it anytime, and that's the problem about it tomorrow. So trading JPY tomorrow is going to be a very, if you're on the wrong side of it tomorrow, you're going to get hurt very badly. If you're on the right side, you might all of a sudden shoot to like 3R in your trade.
Quickly share my screen keys.
You are.
And this goes back to why I don't trade quote unquote retail patterns, because on GJ currently you have this, what you call this, a flag, pin it, whatever you call it. So what's going to happen is if price breaks below this level, people are going to look to short it, stop above. If price breaks above this level, people look to long it, stop below. And notice this over here, we have demand and supply. So the question is, who's going to get trapped tomorrow? Whichever side, I believe, whichever side is going to break out to first, that's going to be the fake out. So if it breaks below, trap everyone short, pop up, trap everyone long, and then drop basically. So I would always recommend studying these patterns.
Alright. Vince, why is your name We Too Dumb? Oh, wow, Vince. Wow. But your FTM, I think they've had a lot of problems lately. What problems, bro? I haven't heard anything about FTMO, like having problems. GJ is another useless one today. Seriously. Cheers, we'll see you tomorrow. I've been long on UJ. What's up, Chad? Alexander, what's up, my man? Nah, Vince. I can tell you now, Chris is going to be here tomorrow. He's going to be like, who the hell is that? And we wrenched him. Who's that? I want to see if I could bring some. If you, no, but V throws it away. You see, I'm a bad scammer. It doesn't help when we wrench you, because it's like, where in the hell do we wrench you? If E goes below, okay. Yeah, DXY and gold, I think are just messy now, bro. They don't know what they want to do. I think anyone that traded USD on NAS today, they got a good move, but that's pretty much it. That is pretty much it. Mondays are always unstable. Lol, yeah. FTMO halted US client acquisitions. No, so that's not a bad thing, bro. They stopped taking on US because US has all the problems. They saw it coming before everyone else. They left the US. They stopped taking on US clients. They did all of that way before all the problems came. If you look at all the companies that have issues, they're all US based companies. So that's not a problem. That's a good thing. They were ahead of the game. That's why you'll see a lot of other companies all have now stopped taking on US clients. So if they have all different approach to how they take them on. Okay, I'm convinced that it's just going to range till Wednesday and will depend on FMC. Yeah, that's just it for me. I'm almost in my mind calling it a day already now, nearly half past. I'll literally call it a day because you're not going to get anything out of this. What broker do you guys use? Cameron, that is a simple question, brother. We are sponsored by Vault Markets. Jevin, you didn't say anything.
Oh, yeah. Vault Markets, I mean, it's literally right there. It's on the screen. Literally Vault Markets for your own personal funds, Vault Funder for prop firm trading.
Do they operate in the UK? Well, they are South African based. So they operate out of South Africa. But I'm pretty sure you can use them from anywhere. Hey?
I'm not sure about the UK.
I'm actually not sure about that.
But I know US clients, I think there's a small little problem there.
Yeah.
But I also remember there was that scam company who literally took Volt Market's
I
logo.
remember that. Yeah.
And it's like, these idiots.
Now DXY wants to shoot up again. Oh yes. Nah, this thing's messy, bro. I'm not gonna get into this. I'm literally gonna close my terminal here. I'm not trading this. No, thank you. Freddy, we lost dancing in the closing vibe. What is the biggest trade you guys ever made? Borka, you ask a lot of questions, my man. Like, I don't see how any of that is going to benefit you as a trader. EU Sol Keegs, I'll look at it quickly for you. I am bearish on it anyway, so traded up, tested that R1. 4 hour, you got a little turnaround. 1 hour, you also still flipping there. You're back in the Asia range, tested the EQ. I do think it looks good. I'll probably wait for a little bit more confirmation. If you maybe got something like a nicer, cleaner break into the range, if not a retest, the small retest of like these levels here, so the 890, and then a break of those lows, the EQ, I'd take the sell, because then you got the EQ daily pivot as your resistance, and then you got Asia lows, easy target that's untested to also trade further down.
I used to. I had a great start in it, and then it humbled me. But I haven't looked at it in months. I know my cousin Justin does. He loves German titty.
Jeff, you gonna take anything, brother?
I'm not gonna take anything, but I am still holding my GU position, so patiently waiting on that one.
These markets are too
But
messy.
I also waited for gold, waited for GJ, waited for EU, but nothing. So Cameron, I'm a very loyal and faithful guy, but when it comes to Forex, I have no favorite, my man. I love to have options, but I have my favorite here and there.
Jeff trades like 30 pairs.
Oh yeah, Slashy, we're at load shedding, so Alchemy will be moved until Wednesday. I'm probably sending out the update on that tonight.
But why didn't you do it?
At load shedding.
Load shedding was 12
Yeah.
to 2. Oh, sorry, never mind. I'm just asking because in Monday I don't trade and have some free time. Okay, no stress, brother. We have covered it before. You can go watch another podcast. We talk about it. I just don't see it relevant now. It just doesn't really help, like benefit you as a trader, really. Much love, G. Cheers.
And yeah, like very interesting what Keegan said there now, like because even though you might ask for motivational purposes, that motivational purpose might just also become you rushing yourself. And then you were like, oh, this guy did it, so can I. Because that was my mindset. I was always like, oh, but he's human, I'm human, I can do that too. And then you full port your account and then you're like, oh, I'm just me.
Alright. Yeah, then I think we're going to call it, Jeff.
Yeah, we can.
Nothing on the market. It's Monday. I'm not going to make you guys just sit here for nothing. So yeah, it has been one of those days, guys. Not always the best ones, but you live, you learn. You just do some technical analysis. You learn some patience. Just sit on your hands, and just see what is it. But Jeff, any closing remarks, brother?
From my side, guys, it's Monday. We have a lot of news this week, so do expect some volatility unexpectedly. So don't force anything. Wait for price to come to you. That's pretty much it.
Yeah, gonna be a very, very volatile week, literally from tomorrow moving forward. So be very careful, guys. It's not the time to take half entry criterias and just feel FOMO. You think it's gonna be a big move, you don't want to miss it. Like, be strict, because this is a week, as much as you might miss a move, this is a week that will blow your accounts if you're on the wrong side of it. So play it safe, be careful. Again, you've got us here to trade with you, so don't do anything we wouldn't do. And other than that, we'll see you guys tomorrow. So myself and Chris in the morning for the opening bell, and then myself and Jevo will be here for New York. And then make the most of it, guys. We will be trading Wednesday. Then Thursday we are out of office, public holiday, and then Friday we'll be back again. But other than that, be safe, stay safe, and we'll see you guys on the flip side. Cheers, guys.
All these things that we took for granted. We've lost dancing. This year we've had to lose our space. We've lost dancing. We've lost the hugs with friends and people that we loved. All these things that we took for granted. We've lost dancing. We've lost dancing. If I can live through, we've lost dancing. This next 6 months, we've lost dancing. Day by day, we've lost dancing. If I can live through this, we've lost dancing. What comes next will be marvelous. what comes next will be marvelous.